Welcome to Fairmont Park Models, a division of Cavco Industries. Since 1971, we've been producing quality park models to fulfill your vacation and recreational needs. New for 2023 are the 100185 No Loft floor plan shown here and the 100185M Single Loft Country Manor Park models, the only floor plans with a king bed in the series. What you will see both inside and out as you look at this park model is the quality. Fairmont Park models are built with many of the same materials that we use in our high-end modular homes. Many of these materials are standard in our park models, such as Owens Corning lifetime warranty shingles, OSB exterior sheathing, HomeGuard wind barrier house wrap, full ice and water roof shield, Whirlpool appliances, and real wood cabinetry with in-screwed wood stiles for longevity and appeal. Fairmont also adds larger thermopane dual-glaze low-E windows for an abundance of natural light and a better view of your surroundings. Our cradle of strength residential construction technique is applied to all of our products. Outside wall studs and roof trusses line up with our floor joists, which are installed 16 inches on center transversely, just like high-end stick-built homes. We finish this off with 7/16" OSB sheathing. Simply put, we produce the best-built park model in the industry. Get more for what you pay. Shown on the exterior is optional white shake siding on the center of the front wall, optional white corner posts, and optional white lineals on several windows and the patio door. The white is a beautiful contrast to our newest vinyl siding color, ironstone, one of the most popular colors available in the housing industry. Step inside to a spacious living room with modern aesthetic decor and colors to make you feel right at home. We use full half-inch drywall with vinyl wall covering that comes in a selection of designs for added personalization. This model is shown with burlap gray and brigade twilight accent walls in various rooms. These residential walls provide a more quiet space from room to room and outdoor noises, as well as the bonus of added insulation. The recessed entertainment center houses an optional electric fireplace that features an attractive white tile surround, adding ambiance to your living area and also keeping you warm on cooler days. Did someone say, "Look at all those windows"? In the kitchen, you'll find an abundance of residential cabinetry available in 4 hardwood color choices. This unit is shown using cottage slate gray base cabinets and Stonehenge white overheads. We add hidden door hinges, adjustable shelves, and sturdy dovetail construction on every drawer. Notice the ample countertop space, displaying both solid surface countertop offerings, Ocean View and New Merapi on the recently designed Dinette Peninsula. The farm sink with a workstation in stainless steel is another new option to complete the final finishing touch to the decor. Enter the bathroom, and your eyes will be drawn to the brand new 54-inch tuxedo shower with bypass glass doors, a window for light and ventilation, a large lavatory with storage, and a residential raised commode. To complete this spacious and lavish bathroom is a complimentary 3-light chandelier. As you step into the large bedroom, you'll find much-needed rest on a king bed with box springs and a pillow-top mattress under new decorative bedding. This is Fairmont's only floor plan offering a king bed. The same quality-built cabinetry is built into the ample wardrobe to house all of your apparel necessities. USB ports and reading lights are located at each nightstand for your convenience. Fairmont does not cut back on convenient storage space. And for peace of mind in knowing you made the right decision purchasing a Fairmont Park model, we proudly boast that we also have a top-notch service department and a long history of fewer service issues than all of our competitors. Our enduring commitment to quality lies in your day-to-day, hassle-free enjoyment of our product. Fairmont Park models. Get more for what you pay. Just park it.